So, you want to get rid of somebody you don't like, that annoying person or that person who might have a crush on you? Well, our producer, Kadeen, has given us some tips. Where these come from, Kat? What's the source of these tips?
I don't know.
Dale and I would probably just say to tell them that you don't like them and keep it moving. Not interested. No matter how many times you call, no doesn't mean, I see any page post something the other day, it says, no doesn't mean I want to be convinced.
Right.
It means I just no interest. So if I say no, it doesn't mean you should keep trying to turn the no into a yes. It means no gracias.
I used to have this challenge in that you don't want to hurt people's feelings. Or
No, you don't, but you just be honest.
Nice, but then
Then you get honest.
I realized that in not hurting them feelings, I'm hurting my own.
Oh.
Because you want to be nice, but then it's becoming more and more. And then are you being fair to the person?
Okay.
By making them feel that, you know, you may or may not have interest. So the best thing I just come straight out.
I think so. Be honest is the first plan. It says if a few honest words of discouragement will not cut it and they continue to make you feel uncomfortable, then go ahead and talk to them face to face.
Well, that
Look
depends.
here. Yeah.
That depends.
No, gracias.
If I know I write it to somebody like Marvin, me not go sit down in front of him face to
Oh,
face.
no, that's true, because then that's dangerous.
Yeah.
But you have to be able to assess the situation.
Oh.
Plan what you want to say. Set a face-to-face meeting if it's not somebody like Marvin, as Delia says. Marvin not going to trouble you. And follow through. So if you guys say what you mean and mean what you say, so you can't tell them this week, and then next week you're like,
I don't think we should go to lunch anymore.
Right.
And then hungry lick you.
Yeah.
And you say, you know, say, Aubrey like me, I'm hungry. So me call him and tell him, say, Aubrey, me could go eat. And don't tell Aubrey, say, don't that make me not condone, you know. But you say, Lord God, the boy Aubrey, me can't take him a scene text.
but Aubrey would be an idiot though.
As you're hungry, you call Aubrey and then you eat the food and you text your friend and say, me there eat with Aubrey, you know, me can't stand him. If you can't stand him, don't eat the man food.
And you're going to do that and choke, so don't do it, because God have a strange sense of humor.
Yeah.
All right, next one. Avoid the person.
Yes.
Block them.
Yes.
Get an app. If you know where the person going to be, don't go there.
Good.
And change your routine. So if that person knows that you like to eat.
in other part though.
Yeah,
but
but
not
if-
inconvenience
suppose it's
myself for nobody, Simone.
Effing say you find out is a person whose head is not correct.
Yeah.
And they know that every day you go to Tasty and sit in that same chair and eat your patty.
Yeah.
You're going to catch there.
But you have to be prepared sometimes to be extreme.
So what you're going to walk with?
No,
Weaponry?
if me in a TST and me sit down and eat patty and him Archie walk in and sit in front of me, me I gonna say, hey, yeah, remember those, somebody did say, not around me
Yes,
here.
but if this is not a righted person, you want that person to
Well,
know
get
where
ready
you
for
are?
one. If it's not a righted person, them are gonna find out anywhere.
No, because you don't go to the same places that you would go even
Them
for
are
a
gonna find
while.
out.
So investigative stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do
Daily, I want to know the
no,
pic-
look, 'cause
Daily, who-
unless you're gonna make your social media all private. Well, me not a person. Sometime after me
You
left the
swarm
venue,
up and so
after
on
me
your
left the
phone.
venue, I said, oh, I went. Because some people are like, I'm here now.
Yeah.
And then you see somebody turn up and say,
I don't like that
you
app.
did on Instagram and say that. So,
I don't like that app.
be
I don't know
annoying.
about this one.
No, sir.
Cry a lot. So the person coming, oh,
And next thing you feel, say, if you hug me up
no.
and comfort me.
Marvin is going to want to comfort you.
No.
You don't interest in that. What's the next one?
Talk about how great you are, then that's why the person texted upon you in the first place. Kadeen, so that don't make no sense.
Counterproductive. What's the next one?
Be a flake.
Like, oh my God,
Like
flake?
if you go on like you're mad.
Like, what does it say?
Make elaborate plans to meet up with that person. Assure him that you won't flake again. When the time comes, don't show up and don't answer calls from that person. It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
As a matter of fact,
And let me tell you something.
you're getting the person more.
And that's why I want people careful of who you introduce to your family and to your friends. Because when you're ready for hide, and them can call your mother and your sister and say, hey, where's Simone? Where's Simone? I have something for Simone, where she is, and him say, you know, so she said she don't work.
I have something for Simone.
Yeah.
Simone do not want it.
No, but then not gonna
no, that's the point I'm making. So yes, we get it. We get it.
And then your family are gonna say, Lord, Simone, you're too terrible. Simone got a jazz and blues. Come at my book a room for you to so you can go. Yeah, if you have someone that got family in a trouble, get get the authorities involved. No, well, yeah, if it really gets that bad, get the authorities involved.
I'll call those coppers.
But the reality is, you know, sometimes people feel cute, you know. Oh, that's somebody that like me. I don't really like them, you know, but them like me.
Don't want to hurt them feelings.
No, not even hurt feelings. They just feel, I guess it's an ego boost to say, that's somebody that run me down and I don't want them. Don't do it. I don't like it. If you don't like the person, just say you don't like the person.
Up front.
Up front.
Up front. That will save you a lot of headache.
Man, I was telling them on Twitter, I have a, good morning. He's going to know it is. I have an ex, every time he messages me and him say, hey, what you up to? I say, you know, I'm helping somebody plan a wedding. Don't hear from him again for another couple.
Why?
Yeah?
Why?
I guess because his head is just not, he must have said, oh God, no.
Wedding?
Men, when women are around, women who are getting married or whatever, you know, them feel said,
you got infectious.
But my wife said to him, say, really? How much people you think me know? So I could have.
So many weddings? Hey, you're a wedding planner now?
Hey, what you doing? I used to as a living.
Oh.
When I leave school. I used to manage signature guns that used to be eaten. What you say a while ago?
It's a long time ago.
All right, look, Simone now, me I gotta avoid Simone. Me a block her. What you say a while ago, Jody?
Why are you gonna block me?
Because what you say a while ago?
But the first point was be honest. When was that? 20 years ago?
When you want to get rid of somebody, so I get you want to get rid of me.
No, I'm just stating because girlfriends don't like each other.
It's all right.
It's a long time ago.
Mr. Gentleman, where's Stalker?
No.
Ask me what she did. I'm going to tell you.
Don't do me that. No, one man jump on me a favorite party. Anyway, I don't want to talk about it. CFW after the break.
Yeah.
Yo, you got some crazy peoples. All crazy.